I'm going to show you from a parent's account what it looks like for them to edit their language settings. I am also going to show you what it looks like when a parent picks a different language to display information happening in the classroom, as well as when they direct message you. Click the three bars at the top left-hand corner of your screen. Select Account Settings. Under Account Info, scroll to the bottom where it says Language. Select the language of your choice. Once you've selected your language, click Save Changes. Now, when you go to your profile, you'll notice that all of your information will be in the language that you selected. Click the blue circle with the message bubble inside. Once in your inbox, click the same blue bubble at the top right-hand corner of your screen. The parent will receive information in the language they've selected, and you will continue to receive information and messages in the language you've selected. It's important to know when you add a new parent or caregiver to the directory, you'll have the ability to select their language before they get the invite. This is helpful if you know the language the parent speaks before sending the invite, so following the steps to sign up for ClassTag are super easy. I suggest reaching out to parents and families and letting them know they have the ability to change the language they receive communication in. For more information, contact support@classtag.com or go to our help center.